Wilma azota las costas de Quintana Roo,
convirtiéndose en uno de los desastres más costosos para México.
Wilma es un enorme animal, 800 kilómetros.
Fue la peor pesadilla para los habitantes de Cancún. Fue la peor pesadilla para los habitantes de Cancún.
This is one of the casualties of Hurricane Wilma in 2005. Actually, there's a lot of resorts that were destroyed in that hurricane. It killed almost 100 people on this coast, and it was one of the worst ones ever to hit Cancun and the area around Quintana Roo, which is the state here in Mexico. Mother Nature can be ruthless sometimes. There it is. Oh, it's beautiful, right?
Watch out.
Look at this. Look at the color of the water. Oh yeah, look, you can see only a small little break in the rock wall that lets the water into this beautiful lagoon. It would probably be heated up naturally because of the dark colored rock, also because it's quite shallow. Beautiful. There's 336 of these rooms, little suites, all these little towers, 2 floors. We're trying to get up to the second floor of these, because this is the bottom floor.
But it's exactly the same.
I know, everyone's exactly the same.
Exactly the same.
And so this is the bottom floor, but there's 2 floors and there's no stairs inside. And I haven't seen any way to get to the second floor, because if we look, this is, what do you think, the closet?
Yeah.
Closet, maybe for a TV.
Probably that air conditioning.
They probably would have taken them all out after.
Yeah, of course.
Because they're worth a lot of money. And this was...
Jacuzzi.
Oh, there was a jacuzzi.
Mm-hmm.
And all the jacuzzis are gone. So there's a jacuzzi right here.
Here, the shower and the toilet.
Bathroom. Oh yeah, here's the shower. But see, there's no stairs going up to the second level. So maybe the stairs are on the outside. Look. So here's number 1204, and there's a door. So that must mean. Oh yeah, look at this, look at this, look at this. So look up.
Oh yeah.
The wood, and I bet these were the stairs. The stairs are wood, and they must have all rotten and fallen off. I bet that's it. Oh, it looks like there was almost like a treehouse built in off the second floor. That would have been incredible. There's still, all this wood from all the other ones was destroyed, right? But it looks really beautiful because there was 2 balconies, wooden balconies. This is the only one that has it. Wood doesn't last 12 years. 12 years, 2005.
We suck at maths.
We suck at mats.
Math.
We suck at mats.
Maths.
We suck mats?
How do you
Math, just math.
Oh, yes, math.
This at one point was the restaurant. Now, pretty much totally reclaimed by nature. It's only been 12 years and it is literally like ruins in the jungle. This used to be part of the roof. Now the roof has all down on the ground. Very rarely do you see glass still intact at a place like this, but these are the only two glass walls I've seen. You can see they still have the symbol of the resort. Look at this, this is totally where they serve the food. You can tell with the fume hood. I'm assuming there was a grill here, some different pots and things with the food. At one point it was somebody's big fat belly getting big. It's the most dangerous part of this place. It is the twisted, sharp metal and the nails that are sticking out of the boards. Holy shit. This was the kitchen. So 336 rooms times by, let's say 2, maybe a couple kids. It's about 700 people they would feed at full capacity every night. No wonder the kitchen is so big. ¿Qué piensas?
Pienso que these abandoned places have this special energy that feels in my stomach.
What do you feel in your stomach?
Like there was life once here, right? And people having fun and all that, and now it's like gone and in the middle of nature, and it's just like nature is damaged, the place is damaged. So, I don't know, makes me feel like...
I agree. Oh man, look at the color of the water.
Wow.
It's like crystal blue. Look how big that fish is.
Yeah, it's cute.
This resort was built around a beautiful cenote. Can't wait to explore it. Look, there's not a single person here.
Breathtaking. Breathtaking.
Breathtaking. It's extremely,
It's not breathtaking.
it's extremely breathtaking. Let's go. This is so beautiful. And there's nobody. Boom, boom. Break it down, break it down. Oh, so sick. So, oh, what, oh, Given the choice, I'd rather swim in the cenote, in the freshwater lagoon, than a chlorinated, crappy swimming pool. Oh, I found a dinosaur. Hold on, hopefully it doesn't run away. Look at him, look at him. It's sunset on the beach. We've been here for like 3 hours. And it was, we didn't even know about this place. We came here looking for another resort, couldn't find a way in, and then was told about this one, and it turned out to be like 3 times better than the other one we expected. What'd you think?
I was doing funny faces for your video.
Great, well thank you very much. Experiences!
Again, let's do it again.
We never ended up filming that second outro. So we're back in the apartment, and I hope you enjoyed the video of the secret resort, the secret Cenote, the swimming hole on the Quintana Roo coast of Mexico. That's where Cancun is, it's where Playa del Carmen, where Tulum are, and that coast is riddled with cool little secrets like that, and I can never wait to go back and explore that part of Mexico. You've probably just seen a little bit of ink on the back of my hand, and that's because this week's winner for the Hand of Fame is my man, Wiggity Wes Cantrell. Cheers, man. You put a lot of really great comments on the videos, and it's my honor to honor you on the hand. And one thing we started doing just recently, just last week, is doing Skype calls with people who have been on the Hand of Fame. Mike.
Very honored.
Hey.
Hey, man.
Actually, I drink a lot of tea. Is that a hobby?
Things that like no one explores.
And Wes, my man, if you hit me up on Instagram, send me a message, we'll connect, and you have 30 minutes of my time to Skype with me and ask me whatever you want to ask me. If you want to be on the hand, look in the comments below. I'll tell you how to be there, and I can't wait to share this whole giant amount of videos that I've been creating for you that are going to be coming soon. I promised 3 a week, and I'm stoked for that. Experiences over possessions, kick the grind, and I will see you then.